We place the bed protector onto the bed. Next, we add the first king sheet, making sure the plain side is facing up and the red line is facing down. We use the middle line as a guide to keep both sides even. Once the sheet is even, we tuck it neatly around the bed. We then add the second king sheet, folding the top over and tucking the rest underneath the bed.
Kia Orana, my beautiful lover.
Next, we place the bed cover on top and tuck it in neatly. After that, we place the bed runner at the edge of the bed.
Take my hand while we dance to the drums and the strings of the organ.
We have two standard pillows. We have our big pillows and small pillows. The pillow protectors are already on the pillows, so we then add the pillowcases and arrange for pillows and one cushion neatly on the bed.
Oh, my dream. Momata kurima, kaura tawa, kititangi o te ukalele.
The open side of the pillowcase must always be facing outwards on this side. On the left side, the open side will be facing inwards to the other pillow and not outwards.
Kia Orana, as you can see on the video, we already separated the towels from the sheets. So we just have to load it here in the washer, the washing machine. Full load on the washing machine and then the sheets. After that, once we're done washing it, it's drying, we have to put it on the big dryer. Set it up for about 45 minutes. After unloading the washed linens, we make sure to wipe it off and then put another dirty linens again with the washer. We just need to make sure it's not fully loaded. Just to measure this like a thumb on the roof. And set it up for about 49 minutes. So what we're doing now is after washing it, the sheets, you have to unload it from the washer. Make sure there's nothing left inside. And then we put it on the big dryer. Clean the filters, check the filters. And then we set it up for about 45 minutes. And that's it. So once the dryer is done, we put it on the table and then start folding it again. So once we're done drying it on the big dryer, so we put the sheets and the towels here in the table and start folding it properly for sheets and for towels. So once we're done folding the sheets and the towels, we put it on the shelf accordingly. So the housekeeping can say what they need.
Orana. Today I'm going to briefly explain how to mix the chemical and what is the purpose of all these chemicals that we're using in the room. First of all, before you mix the chemical, you should provide your PPE. PPE means personal protective equipment. So it is very important because this is your safety. And you will be handling and mixing chemical. So you have to wear your gloves. So I'll wear my gloves now. And then I'll wear my safety gloves. This is very important. Why? Because you're mixing chemical. So this is our 15 liters gallon. I already top up with water. So this is a 1 liter bottle. So I'll mix the chemical here and then I'll pour it inside and then mix it. And then ready for us to use in the room. While filling your chemical, you should be careful of your eyes. The chemical. We'll top it up and then we have to mix it with the water. So we always use the cold water and the warm water. You're not allowed to use hot water. Mix your chemical now. That's how we mix our chemical. And then shake it nicely so that the chemical dissolve nicely and ready to use. Now we'll be moving now, and then I will be explaining to you how is all this chemical we use in the room, the purpose, and how it works when we use it in the room. So I will start with viricide. Viricide, we always know this is a disinfectant chemical, so it kills bacteria and virus. So this chemical we use for dusting all our furniture in the room. Mop and go, we use for mopping our floors in the room. Shower power, this shower power we use it in the bathroom. It kills germs and also it removes body fats and body scum. This is EnviroBright. We use this chemical to clean our toilet bowl. It removes stains. And lastly, this is our dishwashing liquid. We use it to wash our dishes. Thank you very much, Metaki.